Howdy everyone, y'all know who it is, me Voltage, and I think it's time for you to get another new unit in Battle Cats. And on the clearance sale currently going on, I think I'm getting, I think I'm gonna get a new unit today. Let me just check if I already have it. I don't think I do. Super rare. I think she's in the back with the other event girls, if she would be here. I'm gonna say I probably don't have her then. Either way, it's one ticket, so it won't really do much harm if I do this one draw. This is Spooky Thundia. She is another Uber that I just got massive damage. It's black enemies. So, let me get this straight. I just got another anti-black. Hey, a new unit's a new unit. I'm not gonna judge her. I'm not that kind of guy. The Thunder Queen really gets into Halloween each year. Shocks bad volleys of spectral lightning. Massive damage against black enemies from range. Cool. And now she gets color. Halloween is the best chance to tease nice boys. Shocks bad volleys of spectral lightning. Massive damage against black enemies from range. Are there any other people that are level 1 that I can level up now to make them level 10? Because there has to be some people. I know there's one in Striker Unit Red that I never used. Same one of my Izzes that I have. Yeah, Ray's only level 1 as well. Cheerful young mech built for anti-war air warfare, using future tech forbidden by international law, resistant to 2/massive damage, air damage versus floating. Wait, you have a true form? Cool. I actually might do that soon. After an upgrade, escaped from government custody to use her powers, for arsenal to help the innocent, resistance to massive area damage versus floating. I'll make you level 20 actually. Ray. Yeah, is the dancer. Dancer who wants to make people smile with her art. She just doesn't realize the power within her. Massive omniscient damage to any enemy with a trait. Is the alluring dancer. Graceful dancer who entrances with elegant moves, conjures magical powers, delivers massive damage to trait enemies. Stronger after taking damage. So I get 3 new Ubers to mess around with in this video. So yeah, you guys know what's gonna happen in this video, then I'm pretty sure you do. If you don't, then why are you here? Okay, I'll bring you in, I'll take you out, I'll take you out, I guess. I'll bring the Halloween movers all in this as well. I'll bring all the Halloween girls that I have. It's only those 2, seriously? Wow. I've got some of the summer ones, I know that for a fact. Time to bring in these other 2 that I just got. Well, that I upgraded today. 4,110, that's actually not that bad money-wise. You're the exact same price as the other one. Then we bring some regular all-rounder units, like Can. Okay, Catosaurus, get in your big guy. Where is... I'll bring in Ramen, why the hell not? Is Courier in this area or not? No, here he is. Yep, Courier's in this one. 690, there we go. That seems like a good loadout to just mess around with. I have no real plan for levels today. I'm just here mostly to try these new units out. Actually, excuse me. I'll do Love of Sickness. I'm not doing 4, so I'll do 3-star then, I guess. So I can actually use my units that I have. This allows me to use my other units that I want to use, so it doesn't hurt me then. Get in there, can. Slap these guys to next year. Bop. I want to get Thundia out there first if I can. Ooh, she looks nice. She's got plenty of color. I gotta admit that. I'll send in probably Halloweendy next, probably. This is just windy, but not divine. Ooh, nice attack animation. I like it. Oh, Ray is fast compared to the girls. Oh no, wait, Ray is a girl, if I remember right. That's the attack animation I was expecting, honestly, because I've seen this guy before on other channels. I've never used him myself though. If it's not obvious. Oh, hey there, Red Seal. You're about to get messed up. I got 2 anti-floatings. Honestly, that's not that bad. If I find a floating, they're gonna be destroyed. No more duck face. Are there any floatings in these things? The face is floating. Okay. I'll use Ray and also Spooky Thundia versus you, big guy. I want to see what these two can do against. Oh, you're floating, and you're floating. You're not floating, Windy. I mean, Thundia, but Ray is. Fine by me, I guess I'll use Ray in this fight. You missed, Ray. You flat out missed him. Oh. The face just got mauled. My guy just got ripped into 800 separate pieces. My god, can I stop yawning? Let's get to the harder levels. If you can't tell, it's only 8:53 in the morning, so it's pretty early in the morning, honestly, a little bit. This isn't going to be a very long video. I think I might go for like 10 minutes only. This is mostly to show those new units that I just got. Bop. I love the leaders of color in this game. They're so fun to see, like Halloweendy, Spooky Thundia, and Ray. I like how he has blue and accents to him. It's just cool to see units like that have color on them. I'm not sure what the next unit I'm gonna go for is, because the last time I checked, this thing was actually like about 5 or 6 days ago that I checked, and I saw that it was close to Spooky Thundia. I have no idea what the next events and that kind of stuff are coming up, so I'm gonna call it here, and I'm gonna upload this to my channel directly right now, I think. So yeah, bye bye.